Hello friends, in today's lecture we'll study about van der Waal equation of state and numericals based on that. So let's get started. Van der Waal modified the ideal gas equation PV equals to nRT by replacing the volume and pressure with corrected volume and corrected pressure. First, we shall see correction for volume. In real gases, a part of a total volume is occupied by the molecules of gas. Hence, the volume available for their free movement is definitely not the same as the total volume, but it is less than the total volume. If B represents the effective volume occupied by the molecules of 1 mole of a gas, then for n moles of a gas, the correction in volume is Nb. Therefore, the corrected volume is total volume, that is V, minus Nb, that is volume occupied by the molecule. So this will give us the total volume available for the molecules for their movement, where B is called as excluded volume or co-volume. This volume can be determined by using the molecules to be the sphere of radius r. When these two molecules are very close to each other, that is, their distance between their centers is 2r, the volume confined by the dotted circle of radius 2r represents the excluded volume per pair of molecule. Thus, the excluded volume per pair of molecule is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Over here, radius is 2r, so we write it as 2r cube, which gives us 8 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thus, excluded volume per molecule is 1 upon 2 into 8, 4 by 3 pi r cube, which gives us 4 into volume occupied by a single molecule. Thus, the excluded volume per molecule is 4 times the actual volume occupied by each molecule. Therefore, the excluded volume per mole of a gas is 4 Na into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So I am simply multiplying it by Avogadro number. Next is pressure correction. The molecules of a gas are in constant random motion. Their collision with the wall of container generates pressure. According to kinetic theory of gases, there is no force of attraction, hence the pressure generated will only depend on the velocity with which the molecule is about to strike the wall of container. However, in case of real gases, intermolecular force of attraction are assumed to be present. So when the molecule is about to strike the wall of container, it will experience a backward pull due to intermolecular force of attraction, due to which it strikes the wall of container with lesser velocity and generates less pressure. Now, the pressure correction will depend on the overall effect of intermolecular force of attraction, which in turn depend on the strength of forces, that is, on the nature of gas and on the number of molecules that are present behind the striking molecule. The force of attraction is present between the two molecules, hence it will be proportional to the square of density of the molecule. Over here, density is equal to number of moles upon volume, that is mass upon volume, so we can write it as N upon V. If we remove this proportionality sign, I'll put one constant, that is A. And these van der Waal constant A and B are different for different gases. Now, let us try to find units of van der Waal constant A and B. So, corrected pressure P equals to AN square upon V square. So we can say that A equals to PV square upon N square. Now pressure is in terms of Newton per meter square, volume is in terms of meter cube, and number of moles, that is N. So it is equal to mole square. On further calculation, it gives us
Newton meter is to 4 per mole square.
Now to calculate unit of B, volume correction, is V equals to NB. So B equals to V upon N. So volume is in terms of meter cube and N is number of moles. Calculate the pressure exerted by 2 moles of ethane behaving as an ideal gas, and secondly using van der Waals equation. If the volume of container is 10 dm cube at 273 Kelvin. So in this case van der Waals constant A and B are given. So let's start this. Now over here, first we have to calculate value for pressure. Then volume is given in cube, so we'll try to convert this in terms of meter cube just by multiplying it by 10 raised to minus 3. So volume becomes 10 raised to minus 2 meter cube. Then next is N equals to 2. Value for gas constant, that is R, will consider it as 8.3144 joule per mole per Kelvin. And temperature is given as 273 Kelvin. Now, first we'll try to use assuming ideal behavior. That is PV equals to nRT. So we can write P equals to nRT upon V. Then simply we'll substitute the value. N equals to 2, R equals to 8.3144 and temperature is 273 divided by 10 raised to minus 2. So over here 2 into 8.3144 into 273 divided by, it is divided by 10 raised to minus 2. So I will simply multiply it by 10 raised to 2, that is 100. So it is 453966.24. So we can also write it as 4.540 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. The next, using van der Waals equation. In this case, value for van der Waals constant are given, that is value for A and B are given. That is 0.5563 Newton meter raised to 4 per mole square, and value for B is also given. It is 6.38 into 10 raised to 5 meter cube per mole. So first we'll write van der Waals equation, that is P plus N square A upon V square into V minus NB equals to nRT. So first I'll take that V minus NB term on left hand side. So P plus N square A upon V square equals to nRT upon V minus NB. Then I'll shift that N square A upon V square on right hand side. So it becomes minus N square A upon V square. Then simply we have to substitute the values. That is N equals to 2, R is 8.3144 and temperature is 273 divided by 0.01, that is value for V, that is 10 raised to minus 2. So we can write it as 0.01 minus 2 into value for B is given as 6.38 into 10 raised to minus 5 minus N square, N is 2 and value for A is given as 0.5563 divided by V square, that is 0.01 square.
gives answer as 437693.532. So we can write it as 4.377 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square.
Then next is using van der Waals equation. Calculate the temperature at which 6 moles of SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, will have a volume of 20 dm cube at a pressure of 2.027 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. In this case, pressure is given as 2.027 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter square. Volume is given as 20 dm cube, so we'll try to convert this in terms of meter cube by multiplying it by 10 raised to minus 3. So it becomes 2 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter cube. Number of mole is 6. We have to calculate value for temperature. Then we'll write van der Waals equation. P plus n square A upon V square V minus NB equals to nRT. So first we'll try to substitute the given values. Then on further calculation, it gives value for temperature as 822.88 Kelvin.